to hit the ground running, we need to know the lay of the land. Only way to do that is explore.
Sorry, you know what? I know that's all the stress from the wedding planning and everything, so let's just blow off some stress.
Yeah, I'm good with not dying.
Well, you're a simple guy, you know that?
I try my best.
Sophia here likes to pride herself in many worldviews. She calls it like the path to enlightenment.
Mock all you want, it's just a reflection of your own fears.
That's the problem, isn't it? Everywhere you go, there you are.
That's a good one.
I forgot to write it down.